A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Farhan Fabiol Aimat. My ID is 64251612. I am from Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. Here I am, give you opinion about smoking in campus area. The campus is a center for intellectual development and the formation of the succeeding generation character. In line with the vision, the campus environment must reflect the values of health and cleanliness. The issue of smoking on campus grounds is crucial because it directly affects the air quality, comfort, and health of the entire academic community, an aspect inseparable from the optimal educational process. Implementation of non-smoking areas to realize the healthy environment. The campus has implemented the non-smoking area policy. The policy strictly prohibits all forms of smoking activity in almost all areas of the campus. The primary focus of the CATIR is to protect the non-smoking majority from the dangers of exposure to environmental tobacco smoke, which is proven to be detrimental to health. Prohibition in enclosed space and health risks and absolute ban on smoking is enforced in all enclosed space, such as classroom, laboratories, libraries, office, and corridors. The concentration of cigarette smokes indoors is extremely dangerous because it degrades air quality and increases the risk of chronic health issues such as asthma and respiratory disorders for anyone carrying out activities within the spaces. Function and criticism of smoking areas. Some campuses choose to provide smoking areas as a compromise solution. The purpose of this facility is to control the location of smoking so that the activity is not carried out arbitrarily. However, the policy is often criticized because it seems a legitimizing an unhealthy habit, and sometimes the area's strategic location allow the smoke to continue disturbing on surrounding environment. Social responsibility and academic ethics. Smoking activities within the educational environment involve social responsibility and academic ethics. Individuals who smoke are obligated to respect the right of non-smokers to breathe clean air. Violating the CATIR reflects the disregard for collective comfort and discipline, which should be highly upheld by the academic community. Environmental impact and campus cleanliness. Aside from health issues, smoking on campus grounds poses significant environmental problems. Cigarette butts disastrously are toxic waste that pollutes the campus environment. This contradicts the Green Campus program and effort to maintain the cleanliness of public facilities, imposing unnecessary cleaning duties on the maintenance staff. Enforcement of rules and disciplinary sanctions to ensure compliance. The enforcement of CATIR rules must be carried out consistently and family. Smoking violation in prohibited area will be subject to disciplinary sanction, ranging from verbal and written warning recorded in academic record for students to administrative sanction in accordance with the regulation applicable in institution. Consultation and call for collaboration, creating a healthy and smoke-free campus environment is collective duty. Every member of the academic community is encouraged to play an active role both by adhering to rules and by genuinely reminding one another. With the shared commitment, the campus can continue to be an ideal, safe, and healthy place for studying, working, and innovating. Thank you. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will be presenting on the simple present tense in English grammar. What is simple present tense? It's a tense from used to state event to occur regularly, routinely, or usually done is the present time. Present tense in use with someone want to express a current event or general fact in happening now. It is also used the pattern of conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1, which is followed by the simple future tense. Formula simple present tense. What is the formula for the simple present tense? In general, the formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb. One is or is complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the formula for the present tense becomes subject. Auxiliary verb to be complement. Please change to English. Formula of simple present tense. Nominal pattern. Positive subject plus to be, I'm, is, are, plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Interrogative to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense. Nominal sentences. Positive, she is happy. Negative, she is not sad. Interrogative, I'm your brother. Verbal pattern. Positive subject plus verb 1 plus is, us plus complement. Negative subject plus do is not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, do is plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Verbal sentences. Positive, she drinks a cup of coffee every morning. My mother always cooks in the morning. Negative, she does not drink tea. Or my mother does not always cook in the morning. Interrogative, does she drink coffee? Or does my mother always cook rice in the morning? Positive, just like nominal sentence, verbal sentences also certainly have positive forms. We discussion at the beginning. Examples of simple present tense sentence. Formula: subject plus verb 1 from. Example: my mother always cooks rice in the morning. Well, specifically for the negative sentence and question sentence parts, then use do or does or do not, don't, and does not, doesn't. Example: formula: subject plus do not plus verb 1 from. Example: my mother does not always cook rice in the morning. Interrogative: specifically for the question sentence part, then use do or does at the beginning of the sentence and after that subject, and also added verb 1 and that with a question mark. Formula: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 from plus y. Example: does my mother always cook rice in the morning? Characteristic of simple present tense sentences. Use verb 1 or verb 1 plus she is if the subject is her, she, it. Used to be I'm or is or are in nominal sentences. Tend to use adverbs of frequency such as always, often, and usually. Use adverbs of time that indicate routine activities such as every day, every month, every week, every year, etc. Function of simple present tense: expressing emotion or feelings. Used to express expressions or feelings. Example 1, I hate you. Example, I hate you. Giving instruction, command. Use to state command or instruction. Example, put the pencil on the book. The schedule event, used for the schedule future events. Example, he celebrates a birthday party. Other use, recurring events, general truth, expressing feelings, emotion, talks or procession, giving order or instruction, future condition, and future condition. Example of positive, negative, and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Positive, I read a book. She likes swimming. Negative, I don't read a book. I don't like swimming. Interrogative, do I read a book? I don't she like swimming. Consolation, the simple present tense, is the fundamental English tense used to describe habits, routines, general truth, facts, emotion, instruction, and scheduled future events. It emphasizes action or states that are timeless or regularly occurring, providing priority through time expression like always, every day, or on Monday. If there is anything wrong in what I said, please forgive me. I hope this presentation is helpful. That's it from me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Presented by Farhan Fabio Laimo.